Harangkat lang bat kari baro kawai ki bor district ka Wkhd Hills harangkat ki pat ba jong ka district ru ki Rakhe ya ka Sngi Laitluid kari ka ba nyau po nyau ni ka 77th Independence Day harangkat ka jing ipho ipheng ki officer sarkar na kitnat bapher harangkat ki pat ba na jan bana jangai ki le tu chakamadan St Peter's High Secondary School pendeng rei nongstong yakni kalama lairong kari lawan ban penher do ba polengdo menteri sarkar dak ba beteng sakajing roi idri bala shimru yaka rashtriya salute yaki arpu sal tuli ki parade contingents bakun thop yaki tanat pulit ki home guard NCC scouts and guides bat ki khana school hagani ka Sngi la yor ban sa mi ki khusnam kayakal award shaka Wkhd PHC Maroit PHC, bat syaka Soping Sub Center, bat penkuburam ru eu Dr. Lakisan Marbanyang bat kakong sincerities imle. Halor kajing trei baha jengki, yaki kam bagi syakri yakan kam ban pelat yaki long kumi ba armet bat kiwei de ki khusnam. Kat ba hamau shinrut civil subdivision UMLA kathan uba Methodist dekhar uba ru chairman ka Meghalaya Transport of the State, chairman of Planning and Development Council Wkhd Hills District ulapan her yaka lama lairong kari bat shim yaka rashtriya salute yaki khandri tuli ki parade contingents.
Additional SP Nongstone Shri HP Khargawal MPS.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest has hoisted the flag, please. And after this, we will have Sophia Monson, the newly recruited personnel of Meghalaya Police. Arriving the saluting dais to take the salute.
Happy Independence Day, my dear citizens. It gives me tremendous pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on India having completed 76 years of its independence. It is a solemn occasion for us to reflect on the many struggles, sacrifices and contributions of those who were our freedom fighters. As proud Indians, today we remember with respect the great sacrifices of our leaders like Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We also remember our freedom fighters from this soil, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Ramba and Pato Sangma. And we also respectfully remember the sacrifices made by martyrs from the armed forces, the paramilitary forces, and the police forces of our country. This year finds us at a unique juncture of our history. As India assumes the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the fields of development, sustainability, and climate resilience. The overall law and order situation in the state is by and large peaceful. To augment the police force, a total of 1,010 police personnel have been recently appointed. The government has approved the creation of 7 border outposts in the Assam border to strengthen policing in the border areas.